Did you know that concrete is responsible for 8% of the total global CO2 emissions? This has a huge impact on the climate. Reducing this emission has become our priority and our mission. My name is Agnès Petit, and I'm CEO and founder of Mobot. Mobot is a startup founded in 2018, specializing in digital concrete fabrication. Our solution enables our client to increase their productivity, improve worker safety, and provide sustainable construction. Our technology is either used for 3D printing of concrete elements or tunnel construction. The construction industry is one of the least digitalized industries. The lack of information and transparency during the construction results in about 50% of concrete waste and overuse, generating massive CO2 emissions. At Mobot, we use IoT technology to collect data from spraying concrete machines and automate construction processes. By measuring and controlling the process, we can use the exact right amount of material where it is needed. CO2 emissions are also reduced through a decrease of waste logistics. Thanks to the IoT and digital fabrication technology, we are able to reduce the CO2 emissions without compromising on the quality.